We'll start with the basics. The handset, the keypad, the speaker, and the voice message waiting indicator. The lines view is your phone's default display. This view shows your phone lines as well as your favorites. The home view is displayed by pressing the home key. From here, you can initiate new calls and access your messages, directories, the call forwarding, and do not disturb features, as well as the phone's settings and applications. For example, if you want to see a list of available settings and options, using the navigation arrows, choose Settings, then press the Select button in the center of the navigation arrows. Next, select the Basic option. This option lets you configure your preferences, contrast, backlighting intensity, backlight timeout, ring type, login credentials, or update your phone configuration, restart your phone, or clear your browsing data. Finally, there are the feature keys. The ones you'll use most often are the home key, the headset key, the speakerphone key, the mute key, the transfer button, the voicemail button, and the hold button. To place a call, dial the number, then pick up the handset, or press the speakerphone or the headset key. To place a call using your speakerphone, press the speakerphone button, and tap the green phone button. Then dial the number to place your call. Alternatively, from the home view, press the new call soft key to begin. To place a call using your headset, with your headset plugged in, press the headset button, lifting the handset. Then dial the number to place your call. Pick up the handset, or press the speakerphone or headset feature key. To answer a call, pick up the handset or press the speakerphone or headset feature key or the answer soft key. Tap the answer button on the screen. To answer an incoming call when you're already on an active call, press the answer soft key. Your first call will automatically be placed on hold. To retrieve your call, use the navigation arrows to scroll to that call. Then press the resume soft key. To resume the call, tap the resume soft key. To put an active call on hold, press the hold button or the hold soft key. To resume the call, press the resume soft key. If you have more than one call on hold, using the navigation arrows, select the call you wish to reconnect with and press the resume soft key. This feature is commonly referred to as call parking. Your phone has the option to place calls on hold and then pick them up on any other phone within the same organization. This feature is commonly referred to as call parking. If your phone has the feature configured, you can park up to 99 calls. To park a call while on an active call, press the Park soft key, if available, or dial #2. The system will announce the position in which the call is parked. Your call is now parked. To retrieve a parked call on any phone, you can press the pickup position soft key, matching the position of your parked call. If these soft keys are available, they will be labeled as either pickup position number 1 or number 2, although there are more than 2 call parking locations. Alternatively, you can pick up a parked call by dialing *225, followed by the number of the caller's position, followed by the dial soft key. For example, you can unpark the third call in the parking lot by dialing *2253, or unpark the 10th call in the parking lot by dialing *22510. Then press the green phone button. You will hear the caller If you don't know the position of your parked call, dial *225, followed by the dial soft key. You will hear the caller ID and position number of any parked calls. When you hear the caller ID of the call you wish to pick up, press star. Prior to transferring the call. A consulted or announced transfer is performed when you announce the call to the recipient prior to transferring the call. To conduct a consulted transfer while on an active call, press the transfer button or the more soft key, followed by the transfer soft key. Then enter the destination to which you wish to transfer the call. Then press the send soft key. The caller is automatically placed on hold. Once the receiving party answers, announce the call. To complete the transfer, press the transfer button or soft key again. A blind or unannounced transfer takes place when you transfer a call to someone else without announcing the call first. To conduct a blind transfer while on an active call, press the transfer button or the more soft key, followed by the transfer soft key. Then select the blind soft key. Enter the destination to which transfer the call and press the send soft key. This completes the transfer. A direct-to-voicemail transfer is performed when you wish to transfer a call directly to another user's voicemail. To do this, while on an active call, press pound 3 and enter the user's extension, followed by the pound key. This completes the transfer. To initiate a three-way conference call while on an active call, press the more soft key. Then press the conference soft key. The first call is then held. Dial the second number. When the second party answers, press the more soft key. Then press the conference soft key again to connect the calls. If you wish to split the conference call back into individual calls, press the split soft key. This places both callers on hold. Use the navigation arrows to select the call you want to resume and press the resume soft key. The Do Not Disturb feature is used to send all incoming calls to voicemail. To enable Do Not Disturb, press the More soft key, then the DND soft key. If you do not have a voicemail waiting, you will see the Do Not Disturb icon, a minus sign, by your extension line appearance, indicating that the feature has been enabled. You will also see My Status Do Not Disturb in the top right corner of the screen. Please note that once Do Not Disturb is enabled, calls cannot be received until you disable the feature. To disable this feature, press the DND soft key again. By default, calls that are not answered will go to voicemail. To forward calls to a destination other than voicemail, enable call forwarding. To enable this feature, press the More soft key, followed by the Forward soft key, or your Home button, and use the navigation arrows to select Forward. Next, select the type of forwarding option that you would like to enable. Options include Call Forwarding Always, which will forward all incoming calls to a specified forward to destination. Call Forwarding No Answer, which will only forward calls if you do not answer. And Call Forwarding Busy, which will only forward calls when the Do Not Disturb feature is enabled or if your line is busy. Select the type of call forwarding you wish to enable. Enter the phone number to which to forward calls in the contact field, then enable. You will see the forwarding indicator next to your extension line appearance in the lines view. Note, when configuring call forwarding no answer, you must also select the number of rings the caller will hear before the call is forwarded. To configure, select Forward, then Call Forwarding No Answer. Enter the number to which forward calls to in the contact field. Then select the number of rings field and enter the desired number of rings. Select Enable. To disable call forwarding, select the forwarding service to disable. Then select Disable. You can view your recent call history and place calls from your call history lists. From the home view, use the navigation arrows to select the directories icon. Then, select Recent Calls. Your call history is displayed. To dial a number, find the desired number, then press the Dial soft key. To create a new contact from the call history list, From the home view, use the navigation arrows to select directories. Then select Recent Calls. Select the caller you wish to add, then press the Info soft key to add the caller to your directory. To edit the contact's information, use the navigation arrows to scroll to the field you wish to edit. Enter the information and press Save to save your changes. To create a new contact, from the home view, use the navigation arrows to select directories. Then select Contact Directory. Press the Add soft key to add a new contact. Using the navigation arrows, select the fields you wish to edit. Note, the contact field is required and must contain the telephone number of the contact. When finished, press Save to save the contact. Enter your default password. A red message waiting indicator light notifies you when you have a new voicemail message. To check your voicemail, press the voicemail button. Then press the Select soft key, followed by the Connect soft key. Optionally, you can dial *95 on the keypad, which will take you directly to your voicemail. Enter your voicemail passcode, followed by the # key. Follow the audio prompts to retrieve your voicemail messages. If you forget your voicemail passcode, please contact your system administrator to have it reset. Enter your voicemail passcode followed by the # key. Follow the audio prompts to retrieve your voicemail messages. If you forgot your password, please contact the system administrator to have it reset. Thank you for viewing this Net2Phone office phone tutorial covering the features and functions of your Polycom VVX 500 and VVX 600 phones. For additional support and resources, please go to www.net2phoneoffice.com/support or contact customer support at 866-978-8260. To exit, click the Exit button.